For some reason, people don't like to talk about the truth behind architecture. You know the glamorous image of architects as these solo geniuses crafting iconic buildings? It's not quite like that. In reality, architects are more like IKEA furniture blueprint designers, but for buildings. They take client dreams, functional needs, and regulations and turn them into cohesive plans. In school, you're drilled on design and software skills, but when you step into the real world, a lot of that takes a back seat. Most of your time is spent coordinating with engineers, consultants, and dealing with building codes rather than designing. It's a shock to many fresh graduates who expect to unleash their creative brilliance immediately. Imagine this, you join a firm excited to design, but your first task involves reviewing building codes and coordinating with structural engineers. You quickly realize that architecture is about meticulous planning and problem solving, not just artistic vision. It's about ensuring that every detail meets safety standards and client expectations, which often means compromising on some of your initial ideas. Another thing that they don't emphasize enough in school is sustainability. Sure, they teach us about green building practices and sustainable design principles. We're told it's the future of architecture and that we should educate our clients about its importance. But here's the reality. Clients often prioritize cost over sustainability. They want buildings that are efficient and attractive, but they're hesitant to invest more upfront for long-term benefits like energy savings or environmental impact reduction. Moreover, as architects and designers, we face a unique challenge. We're not trained in business. Selling our ideas and running a profitable business practice can be daunting. Many architects struggle with pricing their services competitively while delivering high-quality designs. It's a delicate balance between advocating for sustainable practices and meeting financial realities. This gap in business often leaves architects feeling undervalued and underpaid compared to their contributions to the built environment. So as educated architects and designers, we find ourselves in a very tricky position. We believe in sustainable practices, but convincing clients to invest in them can feel kind of like selling a product that they're not ready to buy yet. It's a delicate balance between advocating for what we know is right and meeting the practical needs and financial constraints of our clients. Another point is that there's a constant flux of changes. You'll start a project with a clear vision, but as you progress, client feedback, engineer input, and building department requirements will inevitably lead to revisions. This cycle often involves requests for informations or RFIs, and change orders to accommodate evolving needs and ensure compliance with regulations. It's not uncommon to spend days, weeks, even months revising drawings, updating specifications, and coordinating with various stakeholders to keep the project on track. And let's talk about the everyday grind. You might join a project that's been ongoing for years, picking up where someone else left off. You're sifting through old emails, trying to decipher decisions made long ago. It's not about starting from scratch like in school. It's about untangling existing complexities and integrating new ideas seamlessly. Moreover, architecture isn't just about designing beautiful buildings like we're often taught. It's about understanding and navigating regulations. Building codes vary by location and project type, and compliance is non-negotiable. Whether it's fire safety requirements, accessibility, or environmental regulations, architects must ensure that every design element meets legal and safety criteria. This leads us to a crucial aspect of the profession, the meticulous documentation. Architects spend a significant amount of time preparing detailed drawings, specifications, and reports. Every aspect of the building, from structural details to material specification, must be meticulously documented to ensure clarity for contractors, engineers, and inspectors. It's a painstaking process that demands precision and attention to detail. And let's not forget about the collaboration aspect. Architecture is rarely a solitary endeavor as we're made to believe. It involves working closely with clients, engineers, contractors, other consultants, and your own coworkers throughout the project lifecycle. Communication skills are as important as design skills, as architects must effectively convey their vision while understanding and addressing the concerns of everyone involved in the project. Another aspect that often catches newcomers off guard is the variability in client requirements. Each project is unique, driven by the specific needs and preferences of the client. This means that the execution of design documents can vary significantly from one project to another. As an architect, you may find yourself constantly referring back to past projects to understand how to graphically represent certain elements or details the same way that the client is used to. It's a dynamic process that requires adaptability and a keen eye for finding solutions that can be tailored to fit every client's needs. Now, who is architecture really for? It's not just about being good at math and drawing, as we're made to believe, although those skills can definitely help. It's for those who thrive on meticulously documenting every detail of a building over and over again. It's about navigating regulations, coordinating with teams, and balancing client expectations with practicality. It's a profession that requires resilience, adaptability, and a passion for problem solving. Honestly, architecture doesn't really match that glamorous image that's shown in TV and other media, but it does offer a unique reward for those who are willing to embrace the challenges. It's about translating a vision into reality while navigating all the complexities of real-world constraints. So if you're considering a career in architecture, just know that it's a journey that demands dedication and perseverance, but it also offers opportunities for creativity, innovation, and lasting impact on the built environment.